Hello, everyone. Today is day 24 of my fasting journey, my rolling fasts journey, weight loss journey, better physical and mental health journey. And I am wrapping up my fourth back-to-back 90 plus hour fast. I've completed my fourth back-to-back 90 plus hour fast. I'm currently at 91 plus hours fasted, and I plan to break at around the 93-ish hour mark. It just depends when I finish up with work. So before this current 90 plus hour fast, I did a 163 hour fast. And before that, I did a 96 and a half hour one. And before that, I did a 92 plus hour fast. And before that, I did a few not as lengthy fasts, but I did have an eating window for all of them under 4 hours because that's how I roll fast. That was cheesy. Today I weighed in at 189.4 pounds, breaking into the 180s. That's a total loss of 28.4 pounds in 24 days, just a little over 3 weeks. Now, this is only a 1.2 pound drop from my last 163 hour fast, where I lost way more than that. And even in previous fasts, I've lost a lot more, but it looks like maybe the numbers are slowing down just a bit, and that's okay. I need to remember to celebrate even the small successes. Even if I didn't lose any weight, let's say I gained half a pound or gained a pound, I know I need to trust the process. I know that the process works. Sometimes at scale, it doesn't tell you the number you want to see, and that's okay. As long as I'm doing what I know I need to do and trusting that process, it's going to be okay. It's always good to remember and celebrate the non-scale victories. For example, the clothes I'm wearing, they're fitting a lot better. I'm wearing an adult XL still, but I can actually fit into adult large now, and it fits fine. These are starting to get baggier. I have more energy. I'm sleeping better. I have a more positive mindset. The list, it goes on and on. So where do I go from here? Well, after tonight, I'm gonna refeed, and then I'm gonna fast and do a 90 plus hour fast again. And then I'm gonna refeed and fast again and repeat. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get to my goal weight. There might be some hiccups or setbacks in the way, but when that comes, I'm gonna talk about it, gonna try to figure out solutions, and you're just gonna see every step of the process. I'm still walking 6 times a week for at least an hour. Even in this 20-degree weather, I'm still going out for walks. I'm going to the gym 3 times a week now to strength train. And one of the most important things that I am reminding myself every day is to accept myself for who I am today, to respect myself for who I am today, and to love myself for who I am today. There has been such a long period in my life, not just the past 2.5 years when I was gone from YouTube, but the decades of not accepting myself for who I was because I was so embarrassed of, how I looked and what I weighed on the scale. And, I took the negative things that people said about me and I let that feed into my brain. That's something I'm trying to change, even at the current weight I'm at right now, the current weight I was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago when I started. It isn't easy, and there's still a lot of times where I feel really insecure and I feel like I'm not good enough, but every day I try to get out and keep doing what I'm doing, because the last thing I want to do is fall into this slump where my head just tells myself all of these negative thoughts, and then I use food to stress eat, and that slippery slope, it's not the way I need to live, that I want to live anymore. The willpower to fast, the discipline to fast is so much more mental than it is physical. I cannot stress that enough. Yes, there's such a physical part of not eating, of getting up every day and finding that routine and going to the gym. But if your head isn't in it, if you are not focused to do it, you're gonna have a really, really hard time getting through these fasts, because you might do one, you might do two, you might feel good about it, but do you have that mental discipline? Do you have that willpower to go again and again and again? That's the thing too, though. This mentality it's even when you're at the gym, even when you don't want to go, and you need to remind yourself in your brain that you got to do it. When it's freezing outside and you don't want to go for a walk, but that's something I do because I enjoy walking outside. Eventually I'll have to do it in the gym and I'm gonna hate it, but I know that I need to get some kind of activity, happening in my body throughout the day, because for me, it's nice to just be out and do something rather than be in here and just, stuck within my own thoughts. And that also works with sleep, right? Getting structure, finding a routine, all of that is a mental preparation. And I don't really need to share this part because I think it's pretty obvious that it's a very mental thing, but finding the right balance in life with the people that you see every day, your friends, making sure that you keep that negativity out there. I think one of the big things that's so different from before when I lost the weight to today is where my mental state is. I think I'm just trying to be a little more, I don't know, meditation isn't the right word for it, but spiritual isn't the right word for it either. But I feel like it falls within that realm of just, I don't know, just having that positive mindset. I think changes so much in the way I think and the way I end up, you know, performing my actions, because I kind of think it through and tell myself that things are going to be okay. You got to celebrate the small successes and you just got to keep moving forward. So, on a lighter note, all that being said, tonight I am excited to break and refeed, but I am going to actually film myself refeeding, or at least try to, and give you an episode of refeed for tomorrow if I can edit it by then. I have a full day tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes, but that'll be coming soon. Other than that, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are doing well in your better health journey, not just your fasting journey, not just your weight loss journey, but a better connection with yourself, and, finding the process that works, finding the balance that works in your life. And that's all the motivation I have for you today. I'll see you soon.